Here's lattice multiplication of whole numbers. You notice my multiplication problem here is 6,781 times 84. So setting it up, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my numbers in place. So all my numbers are nice and aligned up here. So my first factor is right, goes across here, goes across top. You notice I've got good spacing in between each number. And then my second factor goes up and down vertically. So again, first factor horizontally, second factor vertically. Now, I need to split, I need to draw vertical lines in between all of the numbers. So every digit needs to be in between two lines. Okay, then like I said, I'm going to go with my horizontal lines. And the last thing I need is I need to cut each of these boxes in half. So this is the only downfall of the lattice method of multiplication is getting used to setting it up. Once you've set it up once or twice, you'll be good to go, and it's pretty quick. Also making sure that the boxes are the same size, so that way your diagonals are, there's not a problem with your diagonals. Okay, so now my problem is officially set up, and now I can multiply. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I can start anywhere I want. I can multiply any two numbers together. So I'm going to start here with 1 and 8. 1 times 8 is 8. So I put 0, 8. 1 times 4 is 4. So 0, 4. You notice the tens place is on the top left. The ones place is the bottom right. 8 times 8 is 64. You make sure your handwriting's pretty darn good, because these boxes can get small. 7 times 6 is 56. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 4 is 24. 28 and 32. Now here's the fun part. Okay, I get to add, because remember multiplication is just a bunch of addition or multiplication, then we add. Same thing here. So I'm adding, and why am I highlighting? Because when you add down the diagonals. We add down the diagonals. So what I highlight is what I add. And we'll get to what happens when we carry in just a minute. Okay, so 4 plus nothing is just 4. 8 plus 0 plus 2 is 10. So I'm going to put down my 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 7, 13, 15, 19, carry the 1, 6, 14, 15, 16, carry the 1, and that is 5. So my answer, I just copy it down. 5, 6, 9, 6, 0, 4. And don't forget my comment. Now, I'm going to go back and check just to make sure that I'm on the right path. So I got my calculator out, and the problem was 6,781 times 84 and 569,604. I was correct. Alright, so go ahead and pause the video, or I'm sorry. Now I want you to try this one all by yourself. So go ahead, pause the video. Now you can pause the video. Go ahead, pause the video. Try this all by yourself, and let's see if you came up with the same answer I did. So let's see if we did the same things. Alright, so 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20. And you can see I'm just going in any random order. And again, it doesn't matter what order you go in as long as you multiply correctly. 15, 2 times 3 is 6. So again, just a reminder, all I did was I went 5 times 2 is 10, 5 is 25, 5 and 4 is 20, 2 and 5 is 10, 5 and 3 is 15, 3 and 6, 2 and 2, I'm sorry, that last one was 3 and 2, 4 and 2 is 8, 5 and 2 is 10. So now, get out those highlighters again, and I'm just going to highlight my diagonals. Now, do you have to highlight your diagonals? No, you don't have to. But I think it makes it look better for one. And number two, it just assures you that you are adding the right numbers together. But if you set yours up, if you do a nice job of setting yours up, you wouldn't have to worry about that. So 5 plus nothing is 5. You get a 2 here. 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1. That's 5, 6, 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, and another one is 8. So my answer, 8, 1, 1, 2, 5. Remember my comment. Now, go back to my calculator to check. I've got 3,245 times 25. 3,245 times 25. I get 8,000 or 81,125, and I am correct. And that is lattice multiplying using the lattice method with 2 digits.